They say it's quiet in the country, peaceful and still, but maybe they came in the winter, past the bloom and the thrill. 'Cause tonight the fields are singing a wild lullaby, with cicadas crying, crickets humming, and tree frogs testing the sky.
Lightning bugs are fading, but the katydids rise, and the chimney swifts go dancing in the painted twilight skies.
They're teaching the young to fly where the wind has flown. Ain't no silence here, just a world fully grown. Oh, these are the sounds of the season. Every voice has a time, every life has a reason. The garden don't mind, it just grows in the light. Tomatoes and beans in the heart of the night. So pull up a chair, feel the summer's warm breath. This noisy old farm is alive in its rest.
The peppers are blushing, the eggplant's proud. Basil scent floating soft on a cloud.
Sweet corn whispers with golden grace, while the rhythm of life plays on in this place. Yeah, these are the sounds of the season. Every song is a gift, every bud